Have you tasted or cooked this vegetable soup? It is known as ofugu by Anambra people, and these are ingredients for making this soup. Okay, you can use any protein of your choice. This is me putting in the proteins that I'm using for the soup. I added my seasoning and I covered it up to cook. After it cooking for like 10 minutes, I poured in my water for the soup. I normally do that all the time. I pour in water, and this is Uziza seed. Yes, Uziza seed is very, very necessary for this soup. If you don't use the seed, you can use the leaf. Okay. Now this is me pouring in oil, and I'm trying to oil my thickener. That's what I'm doing here, to oil my thickener. But you can use ede for this thickener as well. And this is me adding my fermented locust beans. We call it ogri. We call it ogribu. Yes. Okay, you can use banga as well for to make this soup. You can use banga and you can use ede as thickener for this soup. Anyone goes, all right. This is the pumpkin leaf I'm going to use, which is called ugu in my dialect. All right. I've added my thickener. This is me now adding the ugu to the soup. This soup was too tasty. I'm not gonna lie you. I won't lie. It is very tasty. And one thing about this soup that it is pocket friendly and very easy to make. It doesn't take much. Okay. Tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying out this soup. All right. Always share our videos. Share our videos so people can see these videos. People can see it. Okay. Share, like, and comment our videos. I paired my soup with fufu. I love fufu. See you guys till we come your way.